Do you know you can be making massive income with exchanges arbitrage? What do you understand by exchanges arbitrage? Exchanges arbitrage is buying low and selling high in a particular exchange. So we are going to deal with that today, and I will show you step by step how to carry out this immediately. So I am Crypto 001. What I promote in my channel is crypto arbitrage, such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, and other related crypto arbitrage. So what we need to do now is to buy on this platform and sell on another platform and make our profit. So I want you to stick around this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. So first of all, let's use 120 for this arbitrage. 120 USDT for this arbitrage. Let's buy from this guy. You can see there's no difference from the current price and the merchant price here. So we are going to use market order. So what you need to do is, if you want to use market order, you need to click on here and select market. With that, you can actually buy market order, but I want to go with this guy. Actually has 4.1k of GMEE. So I actually want to buy from this guy immediately. So I now tap on the guy. Once I tap on the guy, you see, let me insert the amount taken. So once I tap on the guy, I will now insert 120. So with our 120, we are going to get 4056 worth of GMEE. So let's copy it. We are using market order for this. That's why I just click on the guy because I'm buying from the guy immediately. So what we need to do is to I copy it. Fine. After copying, I will now move to another exchange that I want to show. But before I move to the other exchange, let me show you the network address. Can you see the network address? The network address is ERC20, and the fee to charge here is 250 GME, that is GMEE. So let's go back and show you something really quick. So with our, you can see the price has changed because people are buying it, but there's no actually much liquidity here, but it has changed because people are buying and selling. So what you need to do, let's say 250, sorry, 250. If you want to send this coin to another wallet, sorry, another exchange, we are going to charge 250 GMEE, and 250 GME is equivalent to 7.396. We are going to pay a fee of 7.396. So let's go and see for ourselves. So once we click on withdraw here, now click on the coin we want to transfer. Now click on select. Once you select, you now copy, you now go to the other exchange where you want to transfer the money to and copy the, click on deposit on the other exchange and copy the address and come and paste here where you are selling wallet address here. So imagine we want to send out the amount of GM we have. Our 4056 worth of GME minus 250 GME, and see how much we will be left with. Let's go to our calculator and calculate that. Okay, on my calculator you can see this is the amount of GME we have with our 120 USDT. So let's minus it with the fee charges. So minus 250, we are going to be left with 3008 3806.2466 worth of GMEE. So let's copy it. Let's move to the other exchange. Now we are on another exchange, GMEE. So you can see it on the top, GMEE on another exchange. So what we need to do is to paste in the amount of GMEE we bought from the other exchange. So let's paste in here and see how much we will be making with our 120 USDT. Okay, here in this section you can see there is much liquidity here, so you can actually sell fast. Remember, we are using market order for this arbitrage. 3806.2466. we are going to make a profit of 5 USDT of this arbitrage. You can see we bought it, we bought it at the other exchange very low, and now come and sell it here. We started this arbitrage with 120 USDT, but now we have made a whooping sum of 125 USDT. Then our profit here is 5 USDT. You can repeat this. This is actually dealing with market order. You can go to the market often and often. Since you are not placing any buy limit, you are just going to the market and buy it as once and come and sell it immediately. I know why I use market order. Let me explain to you why I use market order. The reason why I use market order, anytime I enter into trade, then the price of merchant is also the same as the current market price. That is when I will buy from. That is when I will use market order. But anytime I enter a trade and the price of merchant here is far higher than the current market price, I will use limit order. That is how I spot out. Very simple. And if you like this kind of content, please don't insist to subscribe, like my video, and share my video, please, so that it will get to other people. And if you have any comments on the comment section, please, you can actually drop it below. So the two exchanges that I use is I bought from KuCoin and now come and sell it on Mex. So that is the two exchanges that I use. You can actually try this out. It's actually profitable.